Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download NBA 2K25 on Android and iPhone for free. If you've been wanting to play the game without spending anything, this is a quick and easy way to get it on your phone so you can start playing right away. First, open up the App Store if you're on iPhone or Google Play Store if you're on Android. Next, tap the search icon and type in NBA 2K25. Now scroll down a little until you see NBA 2K25 Arcade Edition. Once you find it, tap on it and then hit Get. And then after that, it'll bring you to a screen where you can try it for free. Just tap Accept Free Trial, accept it, and boom, you'll have it for free for 1 month. And once that's done, you're ready to play and enjoy the game. And that's it. Now you can test the game, see if you like it, and decide later if you want to keep it. This way, you don't spend money right away, but still get to experience everything the game has to offer.